Good morning, students. Welcomes you all in your own mathematics class. I hope you all are fine at your places during this pandemic scenario. Now, and congrats to all of you for your performance in your periodic test 1 exam. Okay. Now, today we will start Unit 4, Exponents and Powers. It's a unit name, Exponents and Powers. Now, introduction में what I am going to introduce, as you all are familiar with the bases and exponent, means power or exponents of integer you have already done in your previous grade, that is in 6th standard. तो 6th standard में आपने already पढ़ा हुआ है. When I write 4 raised to power 2, then 2 is considered as power or exponent. इसे पावर भी बोलते हैं, 2 को एक्सपोनेंट भी बोलते हैं. Now and 4 is called the base. Okay, both are integers here. Exponent is also integer and base is also integer. Now see, in this example, minus 6 raised to power 3. Now here what is 3? 3 is power or exponent? And what is 6? 6 is called base. 6 को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Base. What is 6? Base. तो ये चीज़ें तो आपको already पता है. Now see what I have written here. I have written here 1/5 raised to power 3, 5/9 raised to power minus 2, 7/17 raised to power 5. Means here I have used rational number in place of integers. अब मैंने क्या किया है, इंटीजर की जगह पे मैंने यहाँ पे रैशनल नंबर यूज किए हैं. Now here the number 1/5, 5/9 and 7/17 are the bases, and 3, -2, 5 are the exponents respectively. Okay, let us study more about numbers with bases as a rational number and exponent as a integer. What I said, basis as a rational number. In this chapter we did question which related to the basis as a rational number. Basis में we are going to take rational numbers, और एक्सपोनेंट में वी आर गोइंग टू टेक हियर इंटीजर्स. एक्सपोनेंट्स में हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे इंटीजर्स लेंगे. तो बेसिस यहाँ पे कौन से हैं, यहाँ पे हैं दिस इज 1/5, 5/9 एंड 7/17. वेयर एज एक्सपोनेंट्स और पावर्स आर, वो कौन कौन सी है, 3, -2, 5. These are called powers and these are called bases. Now we will do few questions and some property, then you can understand in a better way. Now I just want to share one result with you people. Now see, I have taken here 5/3 raised to power 3. It means we have to write this 5/3 3 times. 1, 2, 3 I have written here. Now what multiplication of rational numbers tells us, we have to multiply numerator with numerators and denominator with denominator. I am going to apply that result, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, and denominators with denominators. Okay, now how many times 5 I have written here? 3 times. So I can write it in this way. Similarly 3 times I have written here 3, or you can write here 5 raised to power 3, 3 raised to power 3. From here what we can observe, that when there is a raised to power 3 to a rational number, then we can write it in the way, we can write it as 5 raised to power 3 means न्यूमिनेटर की रेज टू पावर 3 एंड डिनोमिनेटर की जो रेज टू पावर 3 है वी कैन राइट सेपरेटली. सी देयरफॉर वी कैन से 5/3 व्हेन रेशनल नंबर कोई है उसकी रेज टू पावर 3 है तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं सेपरेटली न्यूमिनेटर की पावर 3 एंड डिनोमिनेटर की पावर 3 ये लिख सकते हैं. दिस इज द रिजल्ट. This is the result. In general, we can write this result as, in general, if P upon Q is a rational number and M is any positive integer. We are talking about positive integer. See, अब हमने यहाँ पे क्या कंसीडर किया है, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर होना चाहिए M. Then P upon Q raised to power M is equal to P raised to power M, Q raised to power M. This is the result. इस रिजल्ट को हम नेक्स्ट जो भी हम वर्कशीट कंटिन्यू करेंगे शुरू करेंगे वी विल यूज दिस रिजल्ट देयर. ओके, नाउ लेट अस मूव टू द वर्कशीट 1 ऑफ दिस यूनिट.